Last thing we're going to add is we're going to add the ability to try again when you lose, which is going to be kind of a cool thing. Now, the first thing that we're going to need to do is we're going to need to re-top a bunch of our events. Okay. So one of the messages that we don't have yet is going to be reset. So I am going to grab a broadcast one and say broadcast reset. Okay. And then what we'll do is we'll say when clicked, broadcast reset, and then when I receive reset, all the green flag ones need to be replaced with that. So as I go to the laser, pull this off, when I receive reset, and there's a couple on the robot as well, too, actually. And take that off, take that off. When I receive reset, and when I receive reset. Okay, and then on the label as well, when I receive reset, and when I receive reset. Okay, that should reset everything. So all of our sprites, all of them have been switched out, with the exception of on the rocket ship when broadcast, we need to be able to reset it. Okay. Now, on our label, we did not have a you lose one yet, so we'll go to costumes. We'll go to win, and I will duplicate that. You lost. We'll move this over. We'll decrease its size a little bit. We'll move it back over to make sure it's recentered. I think I'm going to make this one red, just so it really stands out that there's a problem. Win 2 is now going to be lost. Lost spelled correctly. And now we got that. So under code, I am going to, when I receive game over, switch costume to lost. Okay. And I can do that just by starting. It's going to load. Level 1, and I am not going to shoot at all. I'm going to let the first robots come down and touch the rocket ship, because that should then make me lose. You lost. Okay. That's exactly the way it should be. And what we've been doing so far is then just clicking the green flag to start again. I'm going to stop it right there. I'm now going to make a sprite by painting. I am going to make a square that is red. Sure, why not? And I'm going to make it down here. I'm on purpose going to make it, I'm going to kind of line that up and try to go straight down with it. Okay, I am going to put an outline on it. That is, I believe I have to go all the way, brightness all the way up, saturation all the way down to get white. Okay. And I'm going to make it a little thicker. And that did not happen on here. Sorry, that's not the selection tool. Try again. Saturation to white. A little bit of a border. Okay, just trying to make it look a little bit more button-like. Okay, I am then going to put text on that says try again, the question mark. It is in pixel form, that's good. I'm going to put that over my button. I'm going to change the fill color to black. so that it looks like that. Okay, and that's my try again button. Okay, what I'm going to do real quick though is I'm going to go over to label and I'm just going to switch it to column to you lost, and that's right there. I'm going to go back to my sprite here and make sure I'm at 0, 0. So that's what it would end up looking like. You lost, try again, question mark. Okay, and then under code, and when I receive reset, hide, and when I receive game over, show, and then if then with a forever around it, and then sensing if I'm trying to find the one about if sprite is clicked. That doesn't want to see to be. Well, I guess that still works because we're only showing it after game over. So let's go ahead and set this up. When this sprite is clicked, broadcast, reset. Should be that easy. Yeah, famous last words, right? All right, so green flag starts, we get loading, level 1 starts, our first set of robots come out, and again, to test my reset theory, everything comes down, I then lose, try again, I click that, and it comes back to resetting. So that now works, and and again, this is where, when you're doing your own troubleshooting to make sure everything still works, when you add something like that, you should check it the whole game. And we'll double check that level 3 happens and that we're still able to win, that there's nothing that needed to be in a forever loop that now isn't or didn't reset right. And it looks like everything still functions. Okay, so I have you win, you lose. Okay, and I could very easily, on that try again button, make a good version of it that pops in when we receive win, that maybe switches the costume to be play again or something like that. And again, if you're going to do that, mess with this, you can call the sprite button and all that sort of stuff. So those are the basics of what needs to be done. There's always things you can add from here. Okay, so take all of these ideas and improve them all the way up till you run out of time on this project. Good luck.